Welcome back to the channel, or Bond Loser channel. I'm going to show you my mower junkyard. This mower runs, I think it does. It probably has water in the engine, but it should run. It's an old Snapper. The hood to it is up there, upstairs, and has a 16 horsepower engine. I took a transmission out of Cook Cadet and just stuck it in there. It doesn't even work. I'm just going to take the transmission out of that mower, put it in this mower. This mower, well, I was trying to do some stuff to it and I messed it up, so that's like $30 steel on there, and I'm going to scrap it and make $2 off of the whole thing. But I'm going to take the rear end out of it, because I don't even think the steering wheel is attached. Is the seat worth saving? No. This is what it needs. Hold on, I'll show you. Machine that we need to use. We can come down here, do that. Attach it there. And we get, oh great. Okay, now you can see the underneath of it. I did that stupid redneck trick to get that to work for some reason. I don't know how that even works. But here's the reason I'm taking it off is because, well, let me just get the angle grinder. I don't know. I was gonna pick this up as a tractor forks, but now that I know how this thing comes apart. See? Alright. Maybe I should really take pictures of this and make sure I get it all right. Hold on, I need 2 hands to take this off. I'm gonna take this off, take that Cook Cadet axle off, put it on here, and plus I got a welder, so I can force it to make it fit. Okay, got the tools out. What you want is to get your new tool dirty. Well, you can't even see. It's filming. You gotta get yourself a 1/2-inch chrome socket and a DeWalt adapter for your big old Milwaukee 1/2-inch impact. And it will remove pretty much anything you put on it unless it's too big. Okay, I'm gonna get the rest of this apart. I'm gonna do some filming so I can watch this later, is when I swap it into that one. I don't know why I'm filming it the wrong way, but I am. Be back. You know what I think we gotta do now? Well, I'm losing stuff, ain't I? Hold on, we got a spring here. Then I think we can remove all this. There, and I took tire off, and all I used was 2 tools. I think this is the first. Oh yeah, we need to get. I think I want to use this. Yeah. Get my new tool dirty. Oh, here I get that off. That left or right angle little thing, that's the gear shift thing. So what I gotta do now is maybe I get my bolt back out. I just bought this bolt the other day. No, I want that thing. But that thing, I'm just stripping it down to scrap at this point. So now we could just hook up to it and back it. Might take the seat off and then my bolts back up. That's how you remove a lawnmower transmission in the middle of a sheep pen that has no sheep in it because of Romeo. So what we need to do is we need to take this and get all these bolts out. I don't think it's gonna work. This video is gonna be way too long, but you know what? I took that bolt out. I don't know. I'm just taking everything out. I don't know. I'll take it out eventually. But what we need to do, we need to hook the winch back up to it so we can get everything off the front of it. Is that the right way? I think it is. Kind of good. Maybe I should just do it this way. Oh, I just lost a bolt out of my pocket, but yep, there she is. A low rider. I don't know. I'm gonna make the front end off of it and I'm gonna throw it in the back of the F-150.